Hey Jamaica, morning time. The famous Woodford Seventh-day Adventist Church. We get toward the city. Well, not city this. They call the place a back of God. Then up there, so. Then the mountain there's Halliwell, Newcastle. They behind the one there. And the last time I fly my drone, I basically did always want to know where they behind the mountain there. So I basically fly from over there all the way over there, so. Which is 4,139 meters exactly away. And then on the way, basically never see, there was a waterfall that get caught in the video. I call it the Mystery Waterfall, boy, because it's in the middle and nowhere. As you can see, there's a civilization, and behind there, so, is, they call it nowhere. Over there is a free town, and over that side is Maryland. When you go further, you go Maryland. And you can basically drive here to go Strawberry Hills. So yeah, I basically come today now because I got some time off from work. So I came today and fly behind that mountain to basically try to find that Mystery Waterfall. And actually I found it. So basically I got share it to them now. So basically let's take a time out, stop what you're doing, and come to the Jamaica Discovery Channel or Jamaica Discovery Network. Okay? Yeah man, I'm out. And we are off. We are off. Well, today I'm on a search mission. I mean, the last time I basically was doing, well, it's the second time flying in this area. The last time I did a drone video, which was the last one I would drop. But basically, the mountain where you see up there, somebody want to know what they behind the mountain there because, you know. And then on the way, I basically, the drone capture waterfall me never see while flying. I basically, when I edit, in the editing stage, I see the waterfall and I say, crap, how I never see this? So basically, today, you know, I basically just come back to see if we can actually find the Mystery Waterfall. I call it a Mystery Waterfall because it ain't in the middle of nowhere. You have this farmer, because up here, so above here, so it's called Freetown, and across this is called Maryland, right? I have this farmer who live over Freetown, I know this farmer. I basically show him the video, the first video, and a piece of the waterfall to capture. I ask him if he know this waterfall. At first, him say yes. When we actually show him the video, when we basically show him say the waterfall, the in a civilization, it didn't England nowhere. Him say right, no. Him say no about the waterfall, yeah. And him live up this area for years. And him have farm a lot of farms up here, so. So, we basically come now and see if we can find the waterfall. Most of we can find the waterfall. Hopefully, I'm not lost because, well, one of the reasons I'm basically not going to fly. I'm basically not going to fly too high because basically one can see. Basically one can see. No one go too high because the higher I fly, the less I can see. So basically I fly at a low altitude now. Hopefully I'm in the half course. Hey, Jamaica really, them say Jamaica is the land of wood and water, and they're not like better because the point of them land now, we're not develop all now. All them land space we're not develop. I mean, I guess the dam, they're a couple miles down the road, so I guess them area some catchment area. So maybe them protected by some maybe NEPA or some environmental foundation or whatever. So maybe even if you want to buy in a land address, they might not sell it because of the nature will come with it. Maybe they have it as a catchment area. Okay, I come up now basically near which part I see the waterfall. I saw the waterfall right down in that valley down there, so I'm supposed to be seeing it anytime about now. Searching. Okay, I don't see no waterfall. That means they look at me of course. But this is a river we run right in the valley right here, so. But you're not gonna see much of the river from above because the river covered by a lot of trees, big trees. So I guess if I follow this take a change, I might have to increase my altitude. Yeah, let's increase altitude a bit. All right. Kind of give me a better a wider view. Okay, still going. Still no waterfall. I wonder if I last, but I remember flying right over here, so. Alright, me increase altitude again, so we get a better view. Ah, okay, there it is. There it is, the Mystery Waterfall in the middle of nowhere. As you can see, there's no house, no farmland, nothing at all. Wow. Me actually find it back. Lovely. Wow. Here it is, the Mystery Waterfall, boy. Tall too, you know, man. Tall waterfall. Just look at that. We need to search them up and see if them actually know about it, and well, they must know about it if them actually give it a name. Like how you have a couple miles across the other side of the mountain, you have Cutting Edge Waterfall. That's also another river that supply the dam. As you can see, you look at rain going fall and rain start due. Wow. Just look at the water. Pure. Just look at that. Wow. And man, this is one of the reasons why I love to explore. Basically, find things where I would never find in a 100 year or a million year. Wow. And if it's crazy enough for one to hiking trip to come here, so but I walk for hours, but I walk for the whole day from the main road for come here, so. And then I never send helicopter can lift you out. Because there's no way I could walk go walk back. Because if I walk, my foot them would have done half. Then I never send a rescue helicopter for come. Then now, that mission would be a search and rescue mission, because then they would come rescue me and Wills. Anybody else would have crazy with me for one company hiking to find out the waterfall upon foot. Wow. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you.